Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. You're looking at three Japanese lottery games that I usually play: Lotto 7, Lotto 6, and Mini Lotto. And this coming Friday, November 9th at 9 p.m., I'll be online on YouTube. I'll be testing out the new Premier function and I'll be able to answer any of your lottery questions. This is Lotto 7. A game is 300 yen per play and it's indicated by alphabet letters. You choose 7 numbers out of 37 numbers. This means quick pick. In Japanese is quick piku. Okay, you just mark here. If you happen to make a mistake, you mark here. This game is called Lotto 6. You choose 6 numbers out of 43 numbers. This is quick pick. If you make a mistake, mark here. This game is called Mini Lotto. You choose 5 numbers out of 31 numbers. This says quick pick. If you make a mistake, you mark here. I'm going to show you 2 lottery software that I use to help me choose numbers. You're looking at the paid lottery software that I use to help me choose numbers for Mini Lotto and for Lotto 6. There's no Lotto 7 because the software was bought years before Lotto 7 came out. Anyway, it's called Smart Luck Advantage Plus. I'm not being paid by this company, so I'm not advertising it. I like it. It's up to you if you want to get it. I'm going to show you how I choose my numbers. So first of all, if you do get the software, you're going to have to choose your game. You're going to select Start Lottery Updater. Okay, now you have this new window. These are all USA lottery games, all international, all Keno. Update your favorites. Choose your favorites. I'm going to select this. And as you can see, there is a myriad of lotteries here, world lotteries. And I've already selected Japan, Mini Lotto, and Lotto 6. Then save it. Okay. And then you're ready to go. You always should update your favorites. You want to make sure that the last winning numbers from the last games are in this software. Okay. Once that's done, close it and then start Advantage Plus. Then I'm going to select number 1. And here again, you'll see a myriad of lotteries. This is a DOS program. And it only uses the keyboard, not the mouse. So I'm only concerned with Mini Lotto and Lotto 6. So I'm going to select Lotto 6. Okay, once I get to the main menu, then I'm going to select 3 quick stats. Okay, and whenever you see an asterisk, it means it's a hot number. You can either choose it now or for the next draw. It's up to you. Sometimes it doesn't work. Then I'm going to select the range. That's F3. Now, 1327 means that's how many games have played. Okay, so I'm going to go back 20 games. Just 20 games. So I'm going to roll it back to 1307. 1307. That is 20 games. Enter. And now it gives me this range. Then I'm going to print this, F2, and then I would hit enter. I'm not connected to a printer right now, so I'm not going to do this. Then you get that print, and then you're going to use that print to help you choose numbers. Well, that's the way I do it. And there's another software, free lottery software. I'm going to Firefox. It's called Chucks, C-H-U-X, Chucks Lottery, L-O-T-T-E-R-Y. Enter. There it is. This is what it looks like. It's called Chuck's Ball Buster, a lottery number picker. I always choose analyzers, and then I choose double-digit balls. And then up here, I select how many balls are in my game. So if it's Lotto 6, that's 6 out of 43. Go to 6 out of 43 here. And then I would take the last 20 winning numbers, starting from the most recent, and put them across. So 6 numbers across. You could write the description of the lottery, Lotto 6 for Thursday, and then whatever the date is, okay? You'll be able to use that to help you choose Lotto 6 and do the same thing for Mini Lotto. I hope that helps.